But there are some other properties of matter also. Other properties of matter are matter is made up of very tiny particles called as atoms and molecules. बच्चों यस matter यह लकटन लकटन जरन हुंद बनियामत तिमन वन atoms बे molecules. These atoms and molecules are minute to the extent that even a powerful microscope cannot detect them. Yum atoms to be molecules cha asa yum zar cha asa im ita lakit asa कि microscope के जरिए तिछन यम वुचित हेका. For example, this is a piece of bread. If I will cut this bread into 100 pieces, only these tiny particles will remain. But these atoms and molecules are million times smaller than these tiny particles that are left behind from the bread. बच्चों बनिम अख bread अगर बह अत breadस कर 100 पीस यम ते लकट लकट जर अत पथ कुन अत breadस रोजन यम ते सन atoms तो molecules च तुम च उमो जरो खत्ते वारिया लकट. The particles of matter has space between them and that space is called as intermolecular space. For example, consider this as a matter. Consider this as a matter and these are tiny particles. These are tiny particles. We can see the space between these tiny particles. This space is called as the space between these tiny particles is called as the intermolecular space. Is called as the intermolecular space. बच्चों ये छसमो बुताय example हावा येतन यम छ लकट लकट tiny particles निमोक अस atoms तो molecules युस एमन दरमियानी space तुय वुचान छु अथ छ अस वना intermolecular space. क्या छस वना intermolecular space. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Daba yim te particles of matter cha asa yim hasa cha asa continuously chim asa momentous mans. This continuity is because of this kinetic energy. Because these particles possess an energy, that energy is called as kinetic energy. Bachu yim particles cha asa emin mans yusi moment ehs cha asa continuously एम खतर एमन अख एनर्जी आसा तथ एनर्जी वन kinetic energy. This kinetic energy is also called as moving energy. उस kinetic energy अथ moving energy ते वना. क्या छस वना? Because of this kinetic energy the particles of matter are in continuous motion. ये यही kinetic energy युस एमन particle थावन continuous momentous mans. For example, if I spray perfume at one corner of the room, after some time we can smell it in the whole room because both the particles of air as well as the particles of perfume are in continuous motion. बच्चों अगर बह कमरस मज छस एकी जाय कुन जाय परफ्यूम छकन तुह छु वुचान के काल पत सो परफ्यूम छ आसान सारसी कमरस फहलियोमुत सो क्या छ आसान फहलियोमुत यम अत कमरस मज particles छ आसान हवहस मज या यम particles अत परफ्यूमस मज आसान यम छ आसान मोशनस मज तवे छ ये फहलान सरसी कमरस मज. When go particles of matter attract each other by a process and that process is called as intermolecular force of attraction. For example, consider the family as a matter and family members as particles of matter. बच्चों बिनम अख family सो था बनाउन बह matter यम तथ member आसन तथ family मज तुम बनाओ बह particles. We know that family members are bound with each other by love and attraction. ये छ अस पाई कि यम ते family members छ आसान एमन छ अख अकिस सैत love प्यार मोहब्बत attraction आसान. During these lockdown days, if one of the family member wants to go out of the home, no one will allow him because they know there is danger outside. बच्चों تُہۍ وٕچھِو کہِ آز چھُ چلان لاک ڈاوُن اگر اَسہِ گَرِ اَکھ نفر تہِ چھُ وَنان بہٕ نیرٕ نٮ۪بر أسۍ چھِ سٲری وۄتھان أسۍ چھِ تٔمِس رَٹان أسۍ چھِ دَپان تٔمِس نہ أسۍ دِمٲے نہٕ ژےٚ نٮ۪بر نیرنَس اِجازت کینٛہہ کیٛازِکہِ نیٚبرٕ چھِ خطرٕ کیٛازِ چھِ أسۍ تَس یہِ وَنان کیٛازِکہِ اَسہِ چھِ تٔمِس سۭتۍ پیار محبت and they will not allow him to go. They will hold him because they have attraction for each other. کیٛازِکہِ تِمن چھُ پانہٕ ؤنۍ آسان پیار اٹریکشن چھِ آسان تِمن ییٚمہِ تل نہٕ تِم تٔمِس اِجازت چھِ دِوان نٮ۪بر نیرنُک کینٛہہ similarly the particles of matter have attraction for each other and that interaction is called as the intermolecular force of attraction. Because of this intermolecular force of attraction, the particles of matter hold each other. اِتھَے پٲٹھۍ یُس particles of matter چھِ آسان تِم چھِ آسان اکھ أکِس سۭتۍ اٹریکٹ یُس فورس تِمن اٹریکشن کران چھِ پانہٕ ؤنۍ تتھ چھِ أسۍ وَنان intermolecular force of attraction. This is the end of the video lecture. I hope you will take it and like it and try to watch all the videos when I upload it. Thank you.